Imagine if AI didn't just copy human intelligence, but actually reflected all of it. Sounds bold, right?
Totally. And what's exciting is it's not science fiction. Women are already redesigning what AI can be: smarter, fairer, and truly human-centered.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. Women still only make up about 22 to 26% of AI-related roles globally. And it gets smaller when you look at leadership.
That's not just a gap, it's a massive opportunity. When diverse minds build AI, we get better outcomes. There's actual science behind this.
Yep. The diversity prediction theorem proves that diverse teams make fewer mistakes. It's not just about fairness, it's about accuracy.
And think about this. When teams lack gender diversity, AI models tend to carry hidden biases, like facial recognition errors for women or people of color.
That's where women step in, not just as coders, but as ethical architects. They're the ones saying, hey, who's being left out?
And they're not just pointing out problems, they're fixing them. Take Dr. Fei-Fei Li. ImageNet changed everything in computer vision.
And she's also behind AI for All, bringing underrepresented youth into the AI space. That's legacy building.
Same with Mira Murati. She's not just CTO at OpenAI. She's shaping what safe, aligned AI even means.
Or Cassie Kozyrkov at Google. Decision intelligence? That's her baby. And it makes AI think more like us, not just faster.
Don't forget Timnit Gebru. Her work on ethical AI shook the industry. She's holding the mirror up to the tech world.
It's powerful. But even now, women lead only about 4% of AI startups. Why do you think that is?
Lack of funding, lack of networks. Sometimes just a lack of being seen.
Groups like Women Who AI are changing that. They're helping women raise capital, build tech, and scale like never before.
And major players are catching on. At Amazon, Facebook, Google, female leadership in AI is growing. Slowly, but growing.
But it's not just corporate numbers. It's how women are influencing what AI does and who it serves.
From fairness algorithms to transparency protocols, they're making sure AI doesn't just serve the few, but the many.
And they're shaping policy too, making sure ethics isn't an afterthought.
There's something poetic about it. Ada Lovelace helped invent computing, and now her intellectual descendants are building machines that think.
Love that. And think of Cynthia Breazeal. Kismet was one of the first social robots. Now we've got AI with empathy.
So where do we go from here? How do we make sure more girls and women join this movement?
Start early. Make AI education inclusive. Show them they belong in this space.
And fund them. Don't just mentor, invest. Women founders need capital, not just applause.
And give them seats at the table, on design teams, ethics boards, and leadership councils.
The future of AI depends on it, because if women aren't shaping the tech won't shape the world right.
So here's a question for our listeners. What would AI look like if it were truly built by everyone, for everyone?
And more importantly, what can you do to help make that happen?
The AI revolution is already here. And women, they're not just joining it.
They're leading it.